Hey guys, come do my night skincare routine with me, okay? But first of all, I need to put this on. Well, let me just do it. So come do my night skincare routine with me. So if you're someone who is also trying to start skincare routine, this is going to also be the best way to go about it. You get me? So first of all, I just finished showering, and I'm not going to cleanse my face because I did that in the morning. I use Neutrogena that has salicylic acid in the morning, so I wouldn't want to use that on my face now. So I'm only going to use a piece size of the toner. I mean, some people usually don't use this toner, but personally I use it and I don't dry it. Press into my skin like this. I use it to bring back the moist on my face so that other products can, work really well. So this is what I do. So we're going to let that dry. So the next product I'm going to put on is this one. This is hyaluronic acid. So this is going to moisturize your face, and it's also going to prevent your face from wrinkles. So I'm going to just put it here, just a little bit here and here. And I decided to put my net on. So this is the hyaluronic acid. So I'm going to, gently rub it into my face, gently. Sometimes I do that too. I'm not asking you to do it. Put it on the eyes, into your neck. So we're going to let this dry. So guys, the next product I go in with is Cosrx. I mean, this is totally optional. If you don't want to use Cosrx, you can skip this one, okay? So I usually go for 3 pumps. 3 pumps. Oof. Did you see that? I just want to hydrate my face so well, so much. So put that, extend that to your neck. This is just my simple skincare routine. I don't like adding so much products. I've said this before, avoid adding so much skincare products because this might actually break your skin barrier. Like I said in my previous video, you might be using the good products, like you might have a very good product, but your skin might not be understanding it. Do you understand? So just make it as simple as possible. Make it as simple as possible. So if you're also a beginner who wants to start adding skincare routine, I mean, this is totally something you can do, and it's very, very affordable. Like very affordable. And don't forget that we sell all these products. The next product I'm going to be using is retinol, okay? So this retinol, one of the advantages is that it's going to, help you get rid of wrinkles on your face, okay, and make you look very youthful. So don't forget that all the products that I'm using in this video, we have them all available. If you want to buy any, just send me your list, okay? So what I usually do is I don't like a lot. Then I put some under my eyes, a little bit here, a little bit here, and here. Yeah, so just gently rub it in. Gentle. Look at the oil. So we're going to let that dry, and I'll apply the face cream. So guys, the last thing I'm going to do is to apply my face cream. Okay, here I'm using Dr. Rachel vitamin C face cream. My hands are clean, so I'm going to put it in. I'm just going to take just a pea amount. Yeah. Always make sure you extend it to your neck, okay? Yeah. Extend it to your neck. So now my face is well hydrated. Oh my god. Last but not the least is to apply your lip gloss or your lip balm, anyone. So guys, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, you can share it as well. Send me a DM if you need any of this product. If you have any skin problem that you're going through, send me a DM. We're going to talk about it. Okay, catch you in my next one. Bye.